Oh, I don't need a dagger to kill you. I never had it before I came to this time. You want to kill me? Come get me.
What she said.
Once you remove the plate, you should be able to see the control processor plane.
I see it. It's not gonna work. I need a quantum computer to hack this thing.
Wait, I have one.
The gauntlet. Damn, I love the future. Okay, if I can connect to the 3 nodes inside, I'll override the system. If I touch anything else, hasta vista, baby. There, I got it.
Yeah, great. How long for the other 2?
However long we have left.